G'day guys, what's cracking? 2 Aussie here again. So I've just picked up the boys. We're gonna go off to do a few things, and we were thinking we might do a little Dominos mukbang. Where we're going, there's only Dominos there, but we quite like that, so we might get a pizza each, do a little mukbang. And it's a bit windy outside today, so we were going to go and sit in the park and do a little video, but I don't think that'll be happening today. So it's a nice sunny day, but it's very windy, so I think we'll just sit in the car and eat the pizza. And we don't want the noise of the wind in the film, so we're going to head off now. Everyone's here, ready to go, and pumped to eat Domino's pizza. Catch you soon. Hey guys, we're back again. We got our Domino's with all the pizzas. We're going to figure out which one's which now.
Maybe we can open this one.
Prize for you. That's mine. What a good shot. That was mine straight away. Thanks. I got a Supreme.
How are we even supposed to tell?
How?
Oh, that would be it. Yeah,
that's
that would
Supreme
be mine.
for sure.
Smell the chili.
That's for sure Supreme.
That would be the filling.
That's the Philly.
Philly cheese steak.
Show the people on the camera, bro.
Okay.
You look in here, you can see it. There you go. Looks lovely.
Can't
Philly
see
cheese steak.
Yeah.
What's yours?
Fire breather.
Fire breather.
And we even got a Pepsi for 10 cents.
Pepsi for 10 cents.
If you look at that, you'll see it's in the picture.
Yeah.
So Pepsi. What did we get? What else? Garlic bread. GB.
Cup.
Garlic bread. All part of the deal. I won't tell you the price because I thought it was a bit expensive, but we're starving and we haven't had any food, so we need to eat.
Get that cup out.
It's going to be very technical.
Yep. Yeah, you do
Yeah,
it.
there's another way you can do that. Well, it's too late
you
now.
can't now,
We
no.
can swap it over. I'll have a little cabanossi while I'm waiting for you guys. So I've got the boys with me again. We've been out doing a few things. Thought we'd have a pizza. We're all hungry. I don't think anyone's had breakfast. It's about lunchtime
Absolutely
now.
Not.
I didn't have breakfast.
No, neither did I. Well, it's like almost 5 o'clock or something.
Don't forget to speak up. That's not bad. So guys, I had a really good idea for what I'm going to call you instead of the boys, because a lot of people, they have like, they might have their side men in their videos, their friends called side men or team 10 and all their little gangs, and I don't know how many people it takes to be a gang because there's only 2 of you so far, but I'm going to start calling you. There you go. So guys, as I was saying, my name for you now is going to be the Mukbang Gang.
That actually sounds pretty good.
I like it.
Got a decent ring to it.
So when we do a little videos, it's going to be 2 Aussie and the Mukbang Gang.
That just makes it sound really good.
Who knows, one day we might have more people in the gang. I have to look it up how many people's in the gang, because I think it's probably supposed to be more than 2, but we'll see.
Will end up being the mukbang crew.
No, it's not never going to be crew.
Well, we don't have enough people.
My video, my rules. Did you subscribe to those 2 girls, 1 mukbang?
Not yet, but they look like they make some pretty
I'm
good
going to try
content.
soon when my data turns on again.
I thought they did. Anyway guys, these girls who've been who subscribed to us and we've subscribed back to them, they've been giving us some really good comments on my videos. They're called 2 Girls 1 Mukbang, and I'm going to get the boys here to subscribe to their channel because they're doing really good videos and they're really good interacting with people, and I love their work. So keep up the good work, girls. We love it. I haven't commented back to you lately, but I've been a little bit busy with things, so I'll get back to that. I need this mukbang gang to be like a bit more you know, active.
Mhm.
I don't seem to have much to say.
Because we're eating.
Yeah, you can eat and talk.
You don't do that typically.
I looked it up, and a mukbang, it's a Korean term,
Mhm.
meaning sort of eating while you have conversation. So it's and I saw someone before do ASMR mukbang, and I thought that can't work because you can't talk in ASMR. You're doing eating sounds. So really, that's not a mukbang. So if we look it up and do our research, that's what it means. While you're eating and having conversation with people.
I'm just talking about having a mouthful of food though.
No, you can still talk. I'm on my second piece and I've had plenty to say.
Hmm.
Pretty sick.
Mm. This actually tastes a bit bitter, the sauce. Probably needs some sugar in it. How's the Philly cheese?
Hmm. Pretty good.
That's a new one in a new range we got over here called the New Yorker range. They got Philly cheese, pepperoni, one with all different cheeses. This
Cut
is
some onion.
you got no mushroom, but they probably put extra other stuff.
Yeah, I took the mushrooms off.
Oh, you take them off?
Mm-mm.
You put them on? Oh no,
No.
you told him.
Yeah.
Mm.
Pretty hot, you mean?
That's alright.
Yeah, for the mountains it's pretty hot.
Mm.
So guys, I was thinking about starting a YouTube channel
Mm-hmm.
based around gaming
Oh yeah,
because typically I used to game a lot and
that's a first.
still do.
Mm.
But I don't know what to call my channel. So if you have any completely lost the word for it. there.
Suggestions?
Suggestions, that's it. If you've got any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Tell me what my YouTube channel should be called.
Mm.
Very hard to name YouTube.
Mm.
Saying that too, if you, what do you let us know, because I know a few people commented about having the boys in the video, the last video, and if you comment, tell us what you think about the name Mukbang Gang. I thought they wouldn't like it, but they seem to be pretty cool with it, so I like it.
It's got a ring to it, so it's all good.
It's catchy.
Oh.
And what's your YouTube ambitions, Jacob?
Mine? Probably gonna go fishing for a fishing YouTube channel on the kayak.
Mhm.
And try to get some good fish,
Mm.
hopefully.
Mhm.
Not sure what to call it again, so suggestions would be nice, thank you.
Mhm.
Yeah, so probably start it soon. Probably when I get my kayak.
Yeah.
And then I'll start filming and, yeah, be mad.
In the lake.
On the lake.
Okay.
And then the Peanut River.
And then the Peanut River and probably catch nothing.
And guys, we did plan on doing this outdoors today, not in the car, but it's been very windy today. And last time I made a video in the wind, which was the Aussie burger one, all through the whole video you can hear the wind, so we didn't want that again.
No.
Absolutely not.
I am getting a microphone soon with a little duver on it that stops the wind, but until then we'll have to do things like this in the car if the weather's not too good.
And that
Beautiful
definitely
day.
seems to be the case.
It's a beautiful day, but just a bit windy. What did you say?
That often seems to be the case, the weather's pretty bad.
Mm.
How long have we got left of summer anyways?
It's spring,
Oh, spring. Oh, cool.
but summer starts next month, which is only about a week away. Here.
Well,
Doesn't feel like it, but
what's your favourite time of year? Spring, summer, winter?
I don't mind spring or autumn. Summer's too hot, winter's too cold in this area.
I like spring and I like summer, but At the same time, I don't like spring and summer, mainly because magpies soup in spring and you sweat too much in summer.
I've never
But I
once.
hate winter.
I've never once had a magpie swoop on me. I know a lot of people get that. I've never ever had it.
Fun little story. Every Friday in summer,
Fun
or
fact.
spring and summer, I used to go play seven-side soccer, and there'll be a magpie there every single week that would swoop you as you're playing your game.
I know, I saw that one. And still it never swooped me, because I used to wait for you.
I only got hit by a magpie once, and I was on the side of my face. Kinda hurt.
I've got some that hang out in my yard a lot of the time and they still don't bother me. They don't do anything. They just walk around looking for food.
I have some that live out my front yard and they always wake me up in the morning with a stupid, weird cry thing. Like a weird sound. I'm not even going to try to mimic it.
You know, I've had a few Domino's pizzas lately, which I don't normally do. And I get to like about 3/4 of the way through and I start feeling full. Even though I haven't eaten all day. I think I need to get up, get out, stand up and let everything go down, then I'll have more room. You think that'll work?
Probably not.
No, probably not. That's a thought.
I work till 11:30, so I'm pretty dead and hungry.
Oh man. Also guys, I'm getting, if you get to this far in the video, because I know a lot of people don't watch this. That's okay, I know you're making comments and subscribing and all that sort of thing, giving the thumbs up. But I forgot what I was going to say then. I got sidetracked. I'll get back to you on that, if I do get back to that.
If you've made it this far into the video, guys, put in the comments below Mukbang gang.
Oh, that's what I was going to say, so you reminded me. If you got this far into the video, what I was going to do in the start was say, because I've noticed a lot of people do this, at the start, because I know you don't watch it till the end, most people, they say, leave a comment, subscribe, blah blah blah, hit the notification bell. So I probably left that a little bit too late in the video. But also what I was going to say too was, I'm almost up, I'm getting close to the 100 mark of 100 subscribers. And it's really great. It's been fun interacting with people, making the videos, getting the boys out here, having a bit of a mukbang. And to everyone who's subscribed, I appreciate it. To the people that subscribe and then unsubscribe you because they're just after a subscriber, well, you suck. But
Rip.
I can't do anything about that because I don't even know who you are. But thank you to the people who have supported and left comments, and I try to do it as much as I can, but sometimes you're a bit limited with time. You can do that, but I'll get back to that when I can, especially this afternoon. I really appreciate it, guys, and getting close to 100, and the next one on to 1,000.
How many subscribers do you think you'll have by Christmas?
Oh, I don't want to say that. I just don't know.
Well, it's always good to have a goal.
Right, I don't have a goal for Christmas. I mean, I'm reaching the first milestone, which is 100, which I didn't think would happen that quickly. But, you know, after that, next one's 1,000. Hopefully within 6 months, I'll have another. I'll have 1,000, and then onwards and upwards. Rise and maintain.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not in that accent. Not in that accent.
Yeah.
No.
That's how I heard it in that accent. So I have to say it like that. Rise and maintain.
You could not.
Yeah. Which is embarrassing.
Yeah, a little bit.
I've done with you guys. It's only the mukbang gang.
Yeah, and all the
You can deal with
beautiful
it.
viewers out there.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I've got so many viewers. Sorry. Oh man.
Same.
I burped and then I felt like I could fit another piece in. And now I'm full again. And I'll fit another piece in. So guys, I think I'm going to end the video there because I'm getting a bit full. Getting a bit warm in here because we've got the windows up and it's a bit windy out there, so we don't want to let the wind in for that noise. So guys, hope you enjoyed our little video, a little mukbang, Domino's mukbang with the newly named Mukbang Boys.
Hit the like button for us.
They're liking that, which is good.
Like, comment and subscribe.
I was hoping they'd like that. I just made it up yesterday. So we'll do some more videos together, maybe do Meccas, something like that. But we'll eventually do something. And guys, thanks for all your support, and remember, you can never be too Aussie.
Ew.
Hooroo!